unstrap your legs. I'll unstrap your legs.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Hard part's over with. Yeah. Remember that top bone was off? Mm-hmm. And that's this one right here. Do you feel that?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna get that one last. I'm gonna get this lower right side first, okay? Really relax here. Drop that right shoulder.
Nice.
There we go.
Wow.
I like it. Easy peasy. Move your left foot to the right.
Are you just doing that to distract?
No, it's all science right
Oh
there.
my
Yeah.
gosh, wow. That's really crunchy.
But you did it. You moved your left foot to the right. Yeah.
Wait, I think it was my
Yeah.
right foot.
You moved the wrong foot, but it was in the ballpark. In the ballpark. In the ballpark. We'll take.